I'm doing a tune-up on my buddy's Impala. Look at this. Let's see if I can get it in the sun. Look at this. Number 8 spark plug. First of all, they're wrong. Should not be in there, boss. Come on. Look at number 7. Oh man, is it because they're the hardest ones to get to? Somebody just left them? It's supposed to have these AC Delcos, original type spark plugs. Not that crappy boss. Not in a Chevy anyway. Nope. Not in an old school small block. It should be looking like this. Nice OEM type. Look at the difference. Oh my god. Oh wow.